So I have a blackberry question for those of you who actually know what you're doing out here. We're actually, it's time for me to go ahead and cut back last year's canes. I'd like to get that done, get that out of here. Second is, like this particular fruit here, at this height that's at my waist, I went ahead and I pinched off the top. This one's been pinched, as you can see. So for those of you who don't know what I'm talking about, why I'm pinching it, because it's those leaders. Once you pinch it, what will happen is, and I have some that I did earlier on, and you're going to see where this was a pinch, I believe, and you start seeing it putting out different leaders. That was an early on pinch, and it's from the same cane, and it's putting out multiple leaders. So the question is, how often do you guys take the pinched leaders and pinch it again? I'd like to get these out quite a bit farther and then pinch it again, is what I'm hearing. But I'd love to hear your feedback on how often do you pinch, and to get your runners to come off of those, increasing the amount of floricanes for next year. That's a question I guess I have for you. These guys are getting fertilized, they are getting pushed. You see these here have been pinched, and I probably did them way too early on and that type of thing, but those are like the previous year I didn't do any of this, and we still got some blackberries. Now of course we should be getting a lot more blackberries, and they are getting fertilized, they're getting watered, those types of things. But how often do you go ahead and pinch these guys off to get more growing out of the same spot? So that's all. These have been pinched there, and then they'll be coming on here before you know it. And these guys are kicking out, starting to kick out multiple canes now that I pinched that. But pinching those and to get those floricane runners to come off, what's a standard rule? Do you let it go a foot, 2 feet, 3 feet, 30 inches from already being pinched? And well, let's start off beginning. Number one, how high do you pinch it? This one I allowed to get a lot taller, and I pinched it, so it's already 36 inches. So now I pinched it, so now it's going to start kicking out these multiple floricanes runners off of it. Then do you pinch it again to get even another batch to coming off? And how far do you allow these, how far would you allow these guys to go before you do it again? So that's just a question. This one I don't believe has been pinched yet. That one's just now. So I'll go ahead, I'm going to pinch this one right there. We'll stop it. We'll start getting multiple canes come off of that. But I've been trying to do it more or less right around my waist height, and then I pinch it. Now sometimes I didn't, I don't know, maybe a deer got that one, but anyway, but trying to get more growth out of this guy's already been pinched. You can see the multiple runners coming off of that. So there's questions I have on that, and sometimes a deer comes up and nips it, and you get they do it for you. And this one's been pinched, and now you got 3 of them coming off. Of course, that's where our blackberries are going to be coming next year's, off of that stuff, so that's good. I'm really excited about that. But how far would you allow this one to run before you maybe pinch it again? Just a question I'd like to ask for you guys who know what you're talking about on blackberries. Like always, folks, if you like these types of videos, do us a favor, hit that like and subscribe. Come grow with us.